Today I'm going to be showing you what dividends are, how they work, and how to find dividends in Robinhood. Not all stocks are dividend stocks, but the ones that are pay you dividends every month or every 3 months. And the more money you have in a dividend stock, the more they pay you in dividends. So now I'm going to show you how to find your dividends on Robinhood if you have a dividend stock. On the bottom right, you should see the profile symbol. Hit that. And then you should see transfers. Hit that. And then go all the way to the bottom and hit show more at the bottom left. And then at the top right, you should see dividends. Hit that. And then it shows all the dividends you got. And yesterday, I got Apple. So yesterday, I actually received my dividend, $6.11. So this is where you find dividends in Robinhood. And if this helped you out, please consider liking or subscribing. Thanks for watching.